our topic for today is about function prototyping, or the function prototype in C++ programming. So before we start, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's start coding. So example of function prototype is if we create a program, for example, so at the bottom we create a function called something, print something, void print something. So this function will print out or call the function print something. So in invoking or calling the function, so we'll just put print something, or the name of the function. Then because the print something has no parameters, so therefore you call it without a parameter. So let's start build. Okay, so as the program runs, so it exposes the error of the code of your program or our program. So at line 7, error printing something was not declared in the scope. So it is because in C++ programming, the program runs from top to bottom. So as the program runs, so sharp include using namespace std, then it goes to main. So in the main function, the compiler sees print something, which is in this stage the compiler didn't know what is print something. So by this he registered an error. So we see that print something was not declared in this scope. So that's why to make this program running, so we just cut this and put it in the top. Okay, build and run. Hello. Okay, I forgot to put build and run. Okay, it prints hello world. Hello, please like and subscribe. Thank you. So but this is not what function prototyping is. So we'll just cut this and put it at the bottom. So if we run this program, it will prompt an error. To make this program runnable, so you will just copy this, void something, put this and put it on the top of the main function, then semicolon. So let's try this. Okay, so the program runs successfully. So what is a function prototype? So a function prototype provides the compiler with information. So with information about the function name and its parameter. So as the compiler runs from top to bottom, in line 5, the program will tell the compiler that at the bottom or at the main function, you will encounter a print something function. So that's why the compiler will not be surprised if he sees a print something at the main function. The void print something function is at the bottom of your main function. If you want this video, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.